The Belfry, full-time host of the Ryder Cup, was a fitting venue for an Amtech estimating user group for clients including Briggs & Forrester, Davis & Birch, NG Bailey, MCOR and Lawn Stewart.
User groups are really important to Amtech because we need to understand what the customers need from us. We need to invite them in and make them part of the process.
It's a chance for us to offer our feedback to the people that are actually producing the software.
User groups are very important to us. They give us an insight into how people do their work. It gives us an insight into what processes they find important.
The thing that I'd like to get out of today's user group session is to understand the developments in the software that Amtech are offering.
Recent developments in Amtech software have focused in particular on XG, the next generation of its product suite, in which the company has invested over £2 million.
It allows us to develop our XG product further and to give them the efficiencies and reduction in costs and overheads that they desire to make improvements in their business.
We're in a challenging market where overheads and efficiencies are being challenged all the time. So it's really interesting to see how we can improve business performance by looking at the solutions on offer today.
We take our development at Amtech very seriously. We're spending a lot of time and effort to develop new products, and our product development is driven by our customers. So that's why these groups and opportunities to spend time together are so important for us.
They enable us to improve the product, to be able to give people a better process-orientated piece of software, to be able to make their working life a better experience for them, and effectively to reduce overheads and cost reductions within their business.
The user groups also give Amtech customers a chance to meet each other and acts as a forum for discussion.
I find Amtech user groups very useful because I'm meeting competitors and like-minded engineers who are working with the software on a day-to-day basis. They've got ideas they can put forward to me and to Amtech, and I can put ideas forward to them and to Amtech as well. Find the shortcuts, advantages, improvements, just generally helping Amtech to improve the system, which makes my life easier as a contractor.
I think it's very useful to find out what others, particularly our competitors, think of the product, how they're using it, and it probably informs us how we can use it in a slightly different, probably more efficient way.
Above all, the objective is to have an enjoyable day that puts the Amtech customer at the heart of its software development.
I felt today's user group went really well. The customers really liked what we've offered them. They had a lot of good ideas for future developments we will take on board. There were a lot of good questions, a lot of good comments about the software. I
think Amtech have proved with events like this that they are very much open to feedback. They've said all the way along that we are their customer, they rely on us, and I think that's borne out in days like today.
I think all through our development we need to keep the customers involved, keep getting their ideas from them, and I think bringing them back to more user days makes them more involved and makes them buy into the concept.
We'll be doing a lot more of these user groups going forward. We want to make sure that we elicit business requirements as they change from our customers, to make sure that we can have a market-leading product and deliver the best process benefits that we can to them.
We need to keep momentum going, attending these sessions, because we're in pursuit of perfection and we're in pursuit of continuous improvement for using the system. So unless we attend these events, then that doesn't happen. So yes, I'll definitely come back again.
Amtech are very forward-thinking, and they do appreciate our feedback and do take it on board and will act upon it.
I've enjoyed the user group today, and I'll be very happy to attend any of the user groups on any of the packages. The information I've learned today has been phenomenal.
If you would like to attend an Amtech user group for any of our products, please visit amtech.co.uk/user group for a full list of dates. Amtech, market-leading software for the building services industry.